y'all know what time is it, do y'all? What up, it's your boy, friend Dark Skin. With another video, you hear me? I'm finna do a little mukbang, you feel me? I ain't got nothing else to do, so I'm finna do a little mukbang, you know what I'm saying? Got that Walmart pizza, that chicken Alfredo pizza. Yeah, man, just tell you what all I did today, man. All day, I did a vlogging video today, food review video today. Man, I did be on the grind, man. You know what I'm saying? So my life going good. You feel me? And then my first time ever making a mukbang, so maybe I'm missing some pointers. I don't care. But God blessed me in so many ways, bro. I can't even explain. You know what I'm saying? Well, I just been chilling, bro. You know what I'm saying? Been working, been grinding, putting the work in. As a person got all traits, I'm all Jack in the Box. I do food reviews. I do goddamn reaction videos. More reaction videos coming. Oh well, when I get me a camera, reaction videos coming soon. Basketball videos, vlogging videos, story time videos, review on food videos. But and more videos I be doing, bro. Funny skits, dancing on TikTok. I'm Jack for all trades. Can't be another me. I'm Prince Dark Skin. The place to be. Oh, that's it right. That's it right now. Yes, sir. But I just want to sit down and talk Prince game right quick. Before I go hoop. Put something in my stomach a little bit. You know what I'm saying? I'm vlogging from home. Hey, bro, if y'all go to Walmart, get this Alfredo pizza, bro. Chicken Alfredo pizza be busting, bro. I'm telling you. You know? But when you pray to God, God will really make a way for you. Especially doing these videos, bro. Pray to God. Tell how you feel. Talk to God. Understand y'all folks don't be saying, I don't hear God that, I don't hear God this. I don't either. But at least I pray to him because I believe him. You feel me? Pray to God, bro. Y'all be tripping. God will make a way for you. And let me tell you something, young beloved. If you want to do YouTube, bro, you gotta stay consistent. You gotta stay consistent, bro. Nothing wrong with taking a break. Because YouTube really is challenging. Nothing wrong with taking a break. But if you want to do videos, bro, if you want, damn, I thought I was finna drop damn piece. But if you want to do video, bro, like, you got a lot of imagination in your head. Think about imagination you be thinking about. And I know it just created. That's why us be YouTube creators, just creative, bro. You feel me? God will make a way, bro. You know what I'm saying? It's not gonna be that long, bro. Always believe in yourself. Fuck what people talking about. Get in your bag, grind, do something you passionate in. And nothing wrong working the 9 to 5. I just spit on the damn word. Nothing wrong working 9 to 5. I work 9 to 5. I gotta work. Look, let me tell y'all something. I gotta make money to make money. Think about that. If you make money to make money, you will do something great in your life, man. I'm telling you. That's why I'm on the grind right now. I'm a dream chaser. And that ain't gonna stop my dream. Feel me? I'm telling this bitch up. God damn. Y'all, this gonna be the end of this video. I just want to do a little mukbang right quick. Ain't had shit else to do. But hey, don't forget what I said. You gotta make money to make money. Nothing wrong working a 9 to 5. Trust me. I'd rather have money in my pocket. I'd rather have money in my pocket, not to be broke. I don't want to be broke. I want to have money in my pocket. You gotta work to work. You gotta make money to make money. You want it easy? You want the legal money, or you want the unlegal money? Pick your choice. But you gotta work to work. You gotta make money to make money. Think about that. But it's your boy. I'm Pretty Dark Skin. I'm Pretty Dark Skin. We out. And don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell when I drop another banger. It's your boy, I'm Pretty Dark Skin. We out. And I hope y'all like the video. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell when I drop another banger. Pretty Dark. I'm out.